From the SharePrices.com.au studios, I'm CJ Dore with our Christmas special for 2016, and we come with gifts, 5 in fact. We've done some research and found 5 top performing December stocks over the last 5 years, and you'll know some of these names. Let's have a look at the list, starting on the far side. Number 5, ANZ, averaging just under 1% for December alone for the last 5 Decembers. In at number 4 is CSL, averaging just under 3% for the last 5 Decembers. In the middle is CBA, Combank, just over 3% is their average for December for the last 5. Then we've got Blackmores, averaging just over 8% for December alone for the last 5 Decembers. And our number 1 top performer for December alone is Magellan Financial, over 9.5% average for the last 5 Decembers. A good indication of where the money might lie for you as a trader or an investor over these final few weeks leading into Christmas, New Year. Let's break down the numbers, starting at number 5, an ANZ. Very consistent stock as far as share price goes, which is important for a big bank like that. In the 20s, mid-20s, in the 30s, and then this time last year, moving just under the 30. The consistency in gains is there as well. 0.1, then a lot of ones, then another 0.1 this time last year. What does it mean? They're averaging 4.66% for Decembers over the last 5 Decembers. Very good consistency from ANZ. Under the tree, they go at number 5. Let's have a look at number 4, CSL. What an interesting stock as far as their share price goes. Let's have a look back at 2011. They were a $30 stock, then a $50, then a $60, then an $80 stock. And then moving into December this time last year, they hit the ton, $100 a share, and finished the year at 105. What does it mean for gains? Well, very subtle again. Ones, and then a couple of big performances in the last 2 Decembers of 4% plus. Let's see what it means overall. 13.5%, over 13.5% alone just for CSL's December performances. They will go under the tree at number 4, right beside ANZ. And good luck if that's going to make some money for you as we move through to the end of 2016. Let's now go to the number 3, and that is Combank. Let's have a look at the performance. And you can note here the rebuild after the GFC. 2011 went from being a $40 stock, 60, 70, 80. Then moved this time last year, still into the 80s, up to 85 it finished the year last year. As we speak now, December 2016, just moving under the $80 mark, but it's held consistency. Also with their gains, 1s and 2s. Big numbers at the end, 7 and 5. So what does it mean? 17.43% is the December gains combined for the last 5 Decembers for Combank. Really important that the biggest stock on the ASX is finishing the year off on a good note, and they will go under the tree with CSL and their old buddy ANZ there in at number 3. Moving on, Blackmores. Now have a look at the share prices over the last few years. 20s, 30s, 20s, 30s, then all of a sudden the gates opened. And look at that, started this time last year, December, at $188 a share, then finished off over the $200 mark. And look at the gains, started with 1% in 2011, then we go double digits with 12, a couple of single digit figures. This time last year, we finished off the year with a 15% December. What does it mean? All their Decembers combined for the last 5 years, 40.17%. What a great finish, what a consistent finisher to a year Blackmores has been. And hopefully it's going to generate some income for you too if you're investing in them. Under the tree, they will go with the other 3 there. That is our number 2. And our number 1, Magellan Financial. Interesting and similar to CSL with the price increase and consistency year after year. Look at 2011, finished even, started 138, finished 138. No loss though, that's the key. Then we moved through into it being a $5 stock, a $10 stock, moved into the teens, 16, now into the 20s. And look at the gains. Started off flat, then 24%. Look at that, 2012. That is a big finish to a year. That offers a lot of hope for the following year for investors. 4%, then another double digit with 15%, and then finishing this time last year around 3%. We'll go up to the top shelf for a top shelf stock. And what does it mean? 48.19% is the December total gains combined for Magellan Financial over the last 5 years. And that is our little Christmas gift to you. 5 stocks, key performers in December, all good gainers. Now, hopefully there's a little hint there where the money could be. If you are going to trade any of those stocks, and there they go, ANZ, CSL, CBA, coming down to Blackmores, and finishing off with our big star performer over 9.5% average for December, Magellan Financial. Good luck to you if you are going to trade those, and hopefully there is a little bit of money left. Go to SharePrices.com.au now, check out the prices and keep track on them as we move right through to Christmas and then close off for New Year. I'm CJ Dore with our Christmas special. There's our 5 little gifts for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch up with you again soon.